Good afternoon guys. Let's go. 4 o'clock guys tayo guys. Alis tayo ngayon. Kasi I have a car now. My daughter car I'm using now. Nothing to do in the house guys. 3 days headache inside the house with my gout. Still pain. Dan yeah, I don't know what happened guys. But before that I want to pass Vipers in the beach side guys. I check because today is high tide. Alright, let's go guys. Guys, first catching natin paglakuan natin guys. Ayan na guys but not big size because I back my old spot. I see again but it's still the same sizes guys. My friend after that mayroon naman tayong huli guys. Contest natin guys. So this Monday Papa Jerry holding the silver with gout agoy. Mr. Ray. Number 2 guys. Oop. At least mayroon sa wala guys. Ayan guys Alright. Sis come back guys. May pangatlo na tayo. Hindi na kailangan mag-slice daw Sabi niya kasi malaki mag-slice pa daw siya Yung mga ganito daw, kisisa niya na daw, diretso na Ginalagyan ng balunggay, kalabasa. Ayan na guys match lang daw yun. Ganyan lang daw kalalaki yung gusto ni Mrs. guys. Kasi no need to slice, diretso na. Alright. Wow. Diba? Guys ala. But continuous lang tayo guys. See you. Dito naman tayo guys Tapa lang Papa Jerry. Yung busy mga bata guys tawag yan. So tayo naman dito. Busy naman tayo guys medyo malaki-laki guys. Ayun guys malaki guys. Alright. Hay. Kalima din tayo guys. May paano, hapon na. Okay lima ba? Apat pa lang. Apat pa lang guys At least like a good size already guys. Tuloy natin guys. Alright. Ay Papa Jerry, at least may video tayo guys. May activities tayo ngayon sa Lunes na ito. Enjoy lang Papa Jerry. Discuss ko lang. Guys, continuous lang tayo guys. Kung malalakas ang isda dito guys. Okay. Ayan guys following guys. But I think it's big size. So I like hard. Alright. Oop. Come mama. Come to Papa Jerry mama. Ayan guys. Ayan siya guys. Alright. This mayon tayo guys. Nakahuli pa rin tayo guys. Paano? Ayan guys Pangilan na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least may 5 na tayo guys. Habang magaga pa kunti. Alas 5 na guys. Medya guys. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's go! Girls versus boy. Let's go! Let's go boys. Alright, the winning is boy, the stronger boy. Alright guys, We are the big tortoise there, guys. That's why how many times to trying to eat my bread. Now I throwing the big size of bread. And time to go, guys. At least I not sale, guys. Meron tayong huli. Kahit paano, may pang sinigang tayo, guys. Good for making sinigang. This one. Let's go, guys. Okay, look. Not bad eh, kay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good for me already. This one, guys. Yeah. Yeah. At least still have. See. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Love you guys. And I love you, mama. See you soon, mama. Maybe tomorrow I try again. Right. I forgot that one, what the name that one. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Time to go, guys. Love you, guys. I love you, mama. God bless, guys. Shout out Komatsu family, guys. Woo! Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. See you soon.